Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila Dwi Putri and I'll explain about choosing code, multilingualism, and language choice. Choosing a language can potentially give the same kind of social and emotional meaning as choosing a style in language. There are also some specific examples of the vitality of different linguistics diversity in the divisions of socials. In multilingual communities, different language have more or less vitality in different institutional, social, or personal. Moreover, you can and will shift as the occasion arises from one code to another. In a multilingual environment, choices between language have interactive power or imply something about the situations or interlocutor. Language can be reserved for other functions and contexts. This is known as diglossia. Diglossia is a situation in which two distinct varieties of a language are spoken within the same speech community. Diglossia status includes two contrasting varieties, high variety and low variety. However, more sophisticated concept may be needed to describe the functional distributions of different varieties within communities. The term multilingual is used in situations like this where the community regularly uses more than 3 languages. Polyglossy is a convenient term for situations in which many different codes or types are used for distinctly different purposes or in distinct contexts. Code switching is switching from one language to another to create a special effect, or using two languages in the same utterance or sentence, while code mixing is mixing of mostly words but also phrases, clauses, or even complete sentences of two language or varieties, or switching completely from one language to another from one sentence to another. For example, code switching and code mixing in Sundanese and Bahasa Indonesia. Neighbor, Bu, punten, mau minjem air selang? Mother, muhun teh, bentar. Neighbor, oh, iya Bu. Mother, iya teh, engke, uihkeun deui nya. Neighbor, mohon Bu, punten. Mother, mangga. There are code switching and code mixing here, which is punten and mohon. From the beginning, the neighbor uses Sundanese and then uses Bahasa Indonesia for communicating with the mother. The goal of this communication is to borrow a water hose. Later, the mother uses full Sundanese to tell the neighbor to return the water hose later, with the neighbor also answers in Sundanese. So, that is all the explanations from me about sociolinguistic, choosing a code, multilingualism, and language choice. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.